Hi, my name is Barry. Welcome to the channel. I'm recently retired and I'm trying to live my passions, and one of them is quilting. And I want to bring you on a journey as I try to learn to quilt. And today we're going to start the new series of trying to create different blocks and tackling different things. And one of the hardest things I've done so far is flying geese. Now, I know there's different ways to do them. I've seen videos on them, but today I'm just going to try to do the one at a time flying geese. And if you've never done it before, just join along with me and we will try to get through this. I've made a couple here. These are some of the first ones I've made. They've come out okay. I still really need to perfect them. And when I'm done with these, hopefully these are going to be 4.5 unfinished. So here, let's look here. What I did is I took my flying geese here. This is a flying geese. Don't know why. I guess because you put them in there, they look like geese. I don't know. I have no idea. But I added another strip here, and that is going to finish at 4, or it's going to be 4.5 unfinished and 4 inches finished. So I made 3 of these, and I'm getting ready to make a 4th one. So what we do in this quick video is make sure we have the right side facing. This is 4.5 inches wide by 2.5 inches. Well, I said that wrong. 4.5 inches long by 2.5 inches wide, and these are 2.5 inch squares. And I took a line and I drew a line through the middle of it, and we are going to piece this together. We're going to do the first one. Like I said, I've got to get better. I know there's ways to make 2 at a time, so I'm going to try that. But right now we're going to try to make 1 at a time. So I'm going to put this right on the edge here, and we're going to sew right on the line, right down through there. So let's give that a whirl. And like I said, for the foreseeable future, I'm just going to try to start making different blocks, and the reason I'm doing that is just for practice and to learn new skills. I think that's what I would like to do. So you can see here I've sewed that, and now I'm going to take my handy dandy ruler, put it right on a 1/4 inch line, and I'm going to cut a 1/4 inch here. I swear this is a sharp blade. And when I press this open, see how that does? Now, what I'm going to do with the other one, I'm going to place it on the opposite side. Now, for you that know how to do this, I apologize, but us newbies, we got to learn somehow. So now we're going to go the opposite side here. Press that open. For some reason, you got to already have this one pressed open. So I'm finger pressing it open. And I'm going to line this one up opposite corners, and I'm going to sew down that line right there. And let's start to iron here, get it going. Now we'll do the same thing with this one. And let's move these out of the way. This is going to be a short one here. While I'm waiting for the iron to warm up, I told you guys before, I've got a special guest today. Before I started quilting, I was selling on eBay because I thought maybe that could be my passion in retirement, you know, something to keep me busy, generate a little income, whatnot. So I started selling men's jeans. I sold it, well, first I started selling everything. Then I started selling men's jeans, And it got to be to the point where everybody was buying men's jeans. So I had to move over to women's jeans, and I was selling women's jeans. And I bought this one lady out. I bought all her stuff. And so when I bought her out, I met this lady that's been a part of my life for several years. And I would like to introduce you to her. She's a little shy here. So come on in. Come on in. There you go. I don't know if you can see her. This is, don't hog the TV, this is Brenda. Brenda, say hi. Hi, everybody. Brenda has a story. I had Brenda in the hallway of my home, and I've got alarm systems. I've got Google Nest video cameras and stuff. And I was away from home, and I got an alert that I had motion in the house and my alarm was going off from my motion detectors. So I called my neighbor who had a key, and I said, "I've called the police. Would you let the police in?" And she says, "Yes." So she met them over there, unlocked the front door. The police went in. I got home probably just a few minutes later. When I got there, the police come to me and they go, "We just about shot your mannequin in the hallway," because I come around the corner and there's this body standing there. And I thought it was the intruder. He says, I thought I was just about ready going to shoot him. So, yeah, that is Brenda. She's a naughty one. But I'll tell you what I use Brenda for nowadays. Anytime I sign up for junk mail or sign up for a magazine or anything, I put Brenda as the person receiving the item. So anytime I start getting on these junk mail lists and I see that it has Brenda's name on it, I immediately know it's just junk mail and I pitch it. So I know that didn't come out right, but that's my story. That's Brenda. Brenda's been around for a while. I don't know. I guess I'll just keep her, but now I've got Brenda and I got Jack the Ripper, and I think I'm calling my sewing machine Betsy. Betsy is my sewing machine. They said you should give names to things, so now this should be heated up. Let's give her a little press. I'm going to work on pressing too. That's next on my list. Here it is. Here it is. Here we are. So we're going to place, here's what I figured out with this, by the way. I like to sew, I have a lot of experience with this, but I've been sewing these on this side. And what you want to do, at least that's what I've been doing, try to make sure that your sewing machine comes right to that point, because anything this way of this point where these two meet means your point's not going to be accurate. So you want to make sure that when you're coming down here, you're going to hit at least right on that point, if not just a little bit that way. So let's give that a whirl. And we will press, let's set the seam and press this open. I hope you enjoyed my Brenda story. And we'll see if this is fairly well lined up. It will work. It will work. So there you go. Hopefully that was a little quick video here on me making some of my first flying geese. I appreciate you, and remember, After health, but before wealth, there's memories. So go out, take your family and friends out, and go make memories. And I will see you later. Bye.